Guys, there is some breaking news out there for cryptos and the stock market. Today, for the first time, Europe is getting ready to raise their interest rates after 10 years. This is huge. We know that since the US government, the Fed, they are raising interest rates to combat inflation in the US. That has been the key thing to crash the crypto and stock market as of late. And it's been very bearish. But today, I need to show you something that's happening in the charts for cryptocurrencies that is huge and historical. And some things are about to change in a big way. So guys, make sure you watch this video unto the end. It's quick and get to the point. Give this video a thumbs up if you love cryptocurrencies. Subscribe with notifications on so you do not miss these time-sensitive videos. And let me know in the comments your thoughts below. And here we have it. Before we get into the charts, Yoshi just wants to say hi. You know, he is the key analyst to this channel. He is the magic of this channel. He makes these things happen. So make sure you guys give him a shout out in the comments, especially if you want to see more Yoshi content. If you want to see more of Yoshi, let me and let him know in the comments below. So getting straight into the charts, there are some huge things happening. There's some news articles that I need to share with you. But make sure you watch my video yesterday. I showed you all in this video yesterday, something really big is about to happen. And every time it happens, it creates a massive pump. And what that is I'm going to show it to you right now, is when Bitcoin on the 3-day time frame crosses bullish on the MACD, which just happened. Guys, this just happened today. Bitcoin finally just crossed the MACD on the 3-day. This is huge. And guys, anytime that this happens, there's usually a massive move to follow it. So in my video yesterday, is very quick. I show you exactly what that is about. But what's very interesting is this is what has kind of pushed cryptos and stocks down a little bit today. And, you know, we didn't see a crash. Cryptos are honestly holding up well. I mean, if we just take a look at Bitcoin, if I zoom out, Bitcoin is still holding up strong. Cryptos are still holding up strong. They're kind of just trading sideways. And usually cryptos trade sideways before they make a really big move. So that's good. We're not seeing massive crashes. We're not seeing a lot of volatility. We're being compressed in this small little area, guys. And that is a good sign. So what we see today, and this is what I mentioned in the beginning of this video, make sure you guys continue to watch. It's very important if you hold any crypto, is the first mover in America as Bitcoin defends $30,000 as the ECB preps first rate hike in more than a decade. So the ECB is none other than the European Central Bank. What they are doing is they are raising their interest rates to combat inflation as well. Raising interest rates does combat inflation, but it's not good for most markets. It's not going to be good for their stock market, at least in a temporary time frame. And it may actually be good for cryptocurrencies because when you raise interest rates, it kills the stock market. But people are moving into cryptocurrencies left and right. And cryptos are, of course, a hedge against inflation. They're a hedge. They were created because of governments when they want to do things that affect your money, your stocks, your investments. That's why cryptos were created. Eventually, despite all the FUD that's happening, people are going to start slowly moving away from stocks and traditional investments and jumping into cryptocurrencies. I personally believe that, but let me know what you think in the comments below. And we have some more information to share with you. So we talked about the 3-day MACD happening, but look at this. If Bitcoin breaks this downtrend, we are finally going to see a pump again. So guys, this is so true. This is the 12-hour time frame on Bitcoin. And what we see is a very strong downtrend, right? This was $50,000 and Bitcoin has been trading under this resistance line. And we are finally coming up to approach it. We're finally coming up to approach to break it. And it's very likely. And what I see all the time in technical analysis, whenever you see a resistance level that's just constantly keeping prices down, whenever that resistance level is broken, there's usually a huge move to follow. This move, guys, could take us to $40,000 for Bitcoin from our current position is a massive move. And that means if you hold any altcoins, you would see massive moves in your altcoin portfolio as well. So cryptos are getting ready to set up, in my opinion, despite what people are saying that cryptos are going to crash down again, that we have not seen the bottom. Despite what people are saying, I believe cryptocurrencies have seen a bottom. This was the bottom. I did call that out. I think it was the bottom. It doesn't mean it is the bottom. It doesn't mean we can't crash further, but it is likely. It's likely that this is a bottom for quite some time. We could have a bullish move to the upside for some time and then eventually maybe come crash down again and break that level. That's certainly a possibility, but we will be keeping a close eye on that, ladies and gentlemen. Now, even more information Crypto fear and greed. People are getting a little bit more fearful right now. Yesterday we were at a 17, so we were bouncing up, but we've seen another dip, guys, in the social sentiment for cryptocurrencies, meaning people are getting fearful. And why are they getting fearful? Well, tomorrow, if you did not know, is the CPI data, where they're going to be reading the inflation for the month of May. Depending on what is said and what the inflation report says is going to predict, is going to move the entire crypto and stock market tomorrow in a big way. Very likely in a big way, but there are some bullish expectations. There are possibilities that some experts are calling out that they see, according to this article, that the inflation figures could actually be lower than expected. And if we get lower than expected inflation ratings, depending on the actual number, we could see a huge move in the crypto and stock market tomorrow. So maybe, as I have mentioned in my previous videos, maybe all the crashes and everything have already been priced in. Maybe all the bad news has already been priced in. So actual bad news doesn't even do anything to cryptos. And what's very interesting is this inflation, is that the raising of interest rates news did not even crash the crypto market today. Cryptos are still holding up. I mean, look at this. Cryptos are green. We have BNB green. We have Ethereum green. We have XRP green. A lot of cryptos are actually still holding up. Bitcoin is just about to flip green. And that's very interesting. So notice this. When there is bearish news that comes out and cryptos aren't crashing anymore, that is an indication that there is some strong momentum taking place, that the bears are getting wiped out of the market, that these sellers have left the market, and now who is here? The holders and the buyers. And that's when the bottom forms. That's when cryptos can recover and bounce up very fast. So as of right now, cryptos are trading sideways. Nothing much is happening right now. People are waiting for this inflation reading, which is going to be coming out tomorrow. Tonight, I'm going to be making a video discussing the inflation reading, how you can read it. What does this mean? What should you do? Should you be buying? Should you be selling? And guys, if you want to get access to the most profitable crypto trade alerts on the internet, where we are making profits even in a bearish market, go ahead and join the Patreon right now. And also, if you want to learn technical analysis, learn all these indicators, if you want to learn these trend lines so you can know when to buy and sell on your own, go watch my course. It is 50% off right now for the time being at MYLESGinvestments.com. And if you guys want a great crypto trading platform, claim your $4,000 free deposit bonus. Have you sent crypto over to Bybit using my special link? And I have a special campaign for my followers only. So if you deposit $1,000, you will receive $100 for the first 20 users. If you deposit $5,000, you will receive $500 for the first 10 users. And if you deposit $10,000, you will receive $1,000 for the first 5 users. Guys, you better get on this. Guys, claim these bonuses right now. Highly recommend it. Now, that's going to be it for this video. I will be making another video tonight about inflation, about everything that you guys need to stay tuned for. Do not miss it for the world. I will see you guys later. You have a great day.